Hello video friends, Lume Cube, a quick review on this. I did review this about a year and 3 months ago, so a little over a year old, and I am charging here. Let's see if I can show this. Oh yeah, we can see both now here. Let me see if I can make this work. Here, there we go. So this is the LC panel 112. This was $100. That's how much I paid for it. With a 9 watts battery in there, made in China from Lume Cube. It says it's 100% charged, and we see here the charging circuit really stopped charging, though there is no power going into it. So that means I can remove my charger. And now let's turn this on. Push and hold, and it turns on. And we see it's a 10% brightness, set to 10% brightness. And it's supposed to last 8 hours, the light being on 8 hours, right? And then we turn this up a little bit to, like, say 20%. Then it goes up 30% brightness, and we see the battery is already empty. Can we see this here? Now it has only 2 minutes left. And very quickly it will turn off and die on me here. Even though it was fully charged a second ago. So we can try to do 100%, but 100% battery does not work. 100% brightness is not going to work. You can plug this back in here. We can see it charges like a little tiny bit, but it immediately shows it has 99% battery. Can I hold it like this? You see, now it's 100% charged. It stopped charging in a second, so there's a tiny charge going on, but that is going down to 0 very quickly. The internal resistance goes up to 999 ohms in a minute, and then you really can't do anything with it. If I turn it back on here, there, you see it immediately goes down to 0 minutes. Now it says it's dead, 0 minutes, but it's still on, and boom, off. So this thing is definitely broken, and I sent an email to the support of Lume Cube, and they cannot help me with this. All they offer is a 20% rebate on another lamp I should buy, and there they offered one without a battery, I guess. Yeah, so that company I'm not buying anything anymore from, but yeah, that just finishes my review on this thing from a year ago. So I don't know what kind of experience you guys have with this, but this is not the brand for me, I have to say.